Welcome to video 11.5a, area of regular polygons. This lesson is going to have two parts. The first part will be a special case of a regular polygon, the area of an equilateral triangle, and the second part will be more generic. All right, we've got two examples. First example, derive the formula for the area of an equilateral triangle, then in example 2 we'll apply it. All right, so let's start by drawing an equilateral triangle. Remember, all three sides are congruent and all three angles are congruent. So I'll just call this side S, side S, side S, and this will be 60 degrees, 60 degrees, and 60 degrees. And then, as we often do, I'm going to drop an altitude. This triangle could look a little bit better. And recall that for an isosceles triangle, when we drop an altitude from the vertex angle, it does two things. It bisects the vertex angle, and it bisects the opposite side. So if this whole side here was S, this will be half of that, or S over 2. If this whole angle here was 60 degrees, this angle here will be 30 degrees. And then I've got a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. Opposite of 30 is S over 2. Opposite of 60, I just multiply by rad 3. So this will be S over 2 rad 3. And now I've got my base, which is S, and my height, which is S rad 3 over 2, and I'm done. So recall the area is 1/2 base times height equals 1/2, the whole base was S. The height was S rad 3 over 2. If you want, you can put that S over 1 just so you can see the tops and the bottoms better. And then S times S is S squared. 2 by 2 is 4. So to make a long story short, equals S squared, I'll just do it this way, rad 3 over 4 S squared. So if you ever forget that formula, you could easily derive it. All right, and then example 2, we'll apply it. Find the area of an equilateral triangle with sides 10 centimeters long. Done. We're just going to apply that. So the area will simply be the square root of 3 over 4 times 10 squared, which would be the square root of 3 over 4 times 100. 100 over 4 is 25. So equals 25 rad 3 centimeters squared. And there you have it, how to derive the formula for an area of an equilateral triangle and how to apply it.